1. The sky is usually during a sunny day. Comma a dot blue, b dot green, c dot red. 2. Birds build their nests in comma a dot trees, comma b dot rivers, comma c dot caves. 3. The sun rises in the comma a dot north, comma b dot east, comma c dot south. 4. Water boils at degrees Celsius, A 50, B 100, C 200. 5. A triangle has sides. Comma a dot 2, comma b dot 3, comma c dot 4. 6. Cows give us a dot milk, comma b dot eggs, comma c dot wool. 1. The capital of France is a dot Berlin, comma b dot London, c dot Paris. 8. Fish live in a dot tree, comma b dot water, comma c dot deserts. 9. Ice is the solid form of a dot fire, comma b dot water, comma c dot air. 10. Apple are usually a dot round, comma b dot sq, a red, comma c dot triangular. 11. We breathe in a dot water, b dot air, comma c dot sand. 13. Penguins live in a dot the desert, b dot the forest, comma c dot cold places. 14. A bicycle usually has wheels. Comma a dot 1, comma b dot 2, comma c dot 4. 15. The primary color of a banana is a dot blue, b dot yellow, c dot red. 16. A person who writes books is called a dot painter, comma b dot writer, comma c dot singer. 17. The opposite of hot is a dot warm, comma b dot cold, comma c dot dry. 18. We use a to tell the time, a spoon, comma b dot clock, comma c dot brush. 12. The moon appears in the sky during the a dot day, comma b dot night, c dot afternoon. 20. Cars need to run. Comma a dot paper, b dot water, c dot fuel. 1. Cats like to chase a dot balls, comma b dot mice, comma c dot birds. 22. The color of grass is a dot blue, b dot green, comma c dot yellow. 3. The fastest land animal is the a dot elephant, comma b dot cheetah, c dot rabbit. 24. We wear gloves on our a dot hand, comma b dot feet, comma c dot head. 25. 5. A dog says, a dot meow, comma b dot o I n k, c bark.